Hello everybody, today we're going to be showing you how my mom makes her rice. You can use this in literally any dish you can think of. It's pretty self-explanatory, it's just rice. So anyways, you're going to first add ghee to your rice cooker, and then you're going to add 3 cups of Egyptian rice and 1 cup of American rice. This is the blend my mom likes to use. You're also going to add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix it. My mom says that the measurements in this scenario with this blend is really important, so maybe just this time don't eyeball it. Then you need to add 5 cups of boiling water, or you can also add enough so that the top of your knuckle is sticking out from the top of the rice. Then you're going to close the lid of your rice cooker and click white rice if it has that option. Then you're going to let it cook, obviously, and it should be nice and fluffy and steamy like this and ready to enjoy with whatever you want. We hope that you like this recipe for rice and you use it in all of your dishes. Happy ricing! Bye!